Alright guys, first of all I'd like to thanks to all of you to another video. Today is 19th of April 2021 and here we are with the new financial markets update. I'd like to give some updates on what's happening in this week. We have got the Reserve Bank Australia meeting minutes followed by UK claimant count, unemployment rate, and New Zealand consumer price index on Wednesday. Then we have got consumer price index from UK as well, and then consumer price index from Canada, as well as we have got ECB rate decision, and then we have got initial jobless claim like every week. We have that from United States, and then we have got new home sales from United States. Well, we also have got to look into three major stocks this week. That will be Johnson and Johnson. We also looking for Netflix to report its earnings to give us an update on how these stocks will be performing overall, right? Well, we saw that over the weekend that the market has been stabilizing in terms of especially in the United States, the rollout of vaccine is picking up its pace, and then which is building up a great sentiment and also a great confidence among the consumers and also about the investors. Now, here we are. I want to share with you on the updates on Dow Jones Industrial Average, which will be this week. We will see an upside on that, and we will be seeing the stock market will roar to new highs this week. So we're gonna see that this week will be another upward direction for Dow Jones Industrial Average. And then we have got S&P 500 will be similarly doing the same. We had a forecast last week as well for this to be bullish, and then this week as well we're going to see that for this to maybe retrace a little bit, but then again this week at the end of the week S&P 500 will be gaining speed and gaining momentum. Alright, now on the other hand, I'm going to give you some forecast on the major currency pairs. Well, of course we do have got our major analysis coming up later on, which will be during the London session forecast. But then let me just share with you towards which direction we're going to see that Euro USD will be heading for. This week we're going to see that alright, I will see that this week Euro USD will pull up again, and then for GBP USD we're going to see on GBP USD to keep trending higher this week. But of course there is a little bit of resistance over here, but if there's any further changes we will be keeping you notified during the London session. But I would see that early days of trading or early hours of trading, this will be pushing up. But then of course there is a little bit of blockage right here, which could be a reversal signal appearing. And maybe after Wednesday we'll see that how this is performing it to be, right? Well, of course, as you could see, the price action changes from time to time, and then from there we're going to see that how the American dollar is going to put a pressure on the major currency pairs. Well guys, let me just tell you, economy is going to boom. Alright, US economy is really going to boom. According to the forecast, it is going to do a remarkable developments that you have ever seen before. Joe Biden presidency is bringing many changes, which is going to be a game changer for many investors and of course for many people around the world. Alright, well now we're going to focus on, because you can see that on Walmart we're going to see this week this more upside on this, and then we're going to see that on Aussie dollar. For Aussie dollar we're going to see that on more further. Let me just clear this mess off for you. Okay, now for Aussie dollar I would be seeing that okay, well of course it could be a pullback, but of course it's going to give us a better clear direction towards the end of the week. I'm not going to touch it for now, but I will see that there could be possible likelihood this is going to come back down and down, then of course take a breather around this zone. But of course this trend is going to still remain unclear. Well, any further changes we will let you know during our London session forecast. Stay tuned and we will be scanning up the markets together with you. And looking ahead on the cryptocurrency guys, let's just say for Bitcoin, which direction it is heading for. Look at that, it had a major pullback to $56,000 level, and oh wow, look at that. Is this going to be a bearish sign? Well, of course it could be, because you could see that from here it is going to come back and test it. Could be a possible buying opportunity, right? Well, but if this is going to keep going down, it's pretty risky guys. I will see that it's going to fall all the way back then. However, stay tuned for further updates. We will scan the market massively, and then we will give you the most potential opportunities that's going to help you become profitable traders. Well, guys, that's it for Bitcoin. Now, last but not the least, looking ahead in cryptocurrency, sorry, gold. I would see the gold is also in a zigzaggy whipsaw, which is not giving us a clear direction at the moment. So I would rather not touch gold for now until we have got better setups. But look at that, it's pushing up, right? So this could be a signal that maybe stock market is going to make a pullback. But anyway, stay tuned. We'll give you further updates. Till then, we'll take care and see you guys later during our London session forecast. Signing off for now. Thank you very much for being here. Stay safe. Be happy.